What we doing, guys? Welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. This is Chef Carlton here from the Just Good Cooking Network. I'm asking you to please go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you won't miss my notifications. Today I'm walking you guys through a special recipe, guys. So stick around, guys, and let's have fun while we do this one. Alright, guys, welcome back to my cooking channel, guys. Today I'm doing this one for the kiddos. Alright, so I'm making some corn dog from scratch. So if you have kids at home or if you yourself just like corn dogs, this is a nice recipe to follow. I'll make it real simple for you guys and real easy. I'm going to break it down. I got some cornmeal, some flour, an egg, baking powder, salt, oil, buttermilk, and some sugar. Over here I got 3 hot dogs I'm going to be using and 3 skewers. Alright, so first we're going to put our skewers in, so let's get into that piece. Alright guys, so real simple. You're just going to grab this, try and keep it in the center. You could see it coming, you make it to the top. Alright, just lay that one down. Repeat the process. Again, try and keep it in the center. As you see it coming through, you pull it back in. Like that. Alright, that's it. Alright, we're gonna get a container. Now we're gonna combine everything. So we're gonna add our cornmeal. It don't matter, there's no specific order, guys. We're just gonna get everything in there. Our egg. So this is gonna take a lot of whisking. Flour, sugar, oil, take a salt. I think I have too much salt here. I'm gonna use all of that. Baking powder, some buttermilk. Alright, now you're just going to go ahead and whisk this together. You're probably going to need a little bit more buttermilk, but you want to get like a thick batter. So we're adding a little bit more of the buttermilk. We're just gonna keep whisking. Alright guys, now that our batter is almost there, what we're gonna do with this batter, we're gonna transfer this batter to a tall glass or a cup. I'm using this one. So you could dip the dog in it and you will get to cover the whole thing without covering the end of the picks. Alright, so let's transfer this to our cup. Alright, so we're going to transfer that in our cup. Alright guys, that's what you're looking for. Now we're going to go ahead and dip our dogs. Alright guys, get your oil ready. Make sure you got enough oil that will cover the bottom of the pan and will cover your corn dogs. Alright, let's go ahead and make these. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and make our dogs. We're going to dip it. Get a nice coat. Then we're just going to go ahead and move this a little closer to our oil. Dip some of the batter just to make sure to know when the oil is ready. So now we're going to go ahead and take our dog. We're going to hold it just to seal the end. Now we're just going to go ahead and lay it down. We're going to do a couple of minutes on each side. Careful guys, that's really hot. Another couple seconds on that side. Once it's seared, turn the heat down and keep repeating the process. 2 to 3 minutes on each side. That's it guys.